right, I greet every one of you out there. I wish you what you wish yourself. I wish you peace if you want peace. If you want the other one, now you know. We are here this night to address something. There is this hackneyed campaign going on online, being peddled by the church people. The church people, you know them. You know the big names. You know all of them out there. They are now telling us something. They said, leave and let us leave. Allow us to breathe. That's what they're saying. They're actually saying that we are suffocating them right now. Our truth is suffocating them. Because we came with the Lord's truth. We came to expose their lies. Because they used to be against us. Making the world believe that they are the best. Making our children to turn their back against us. Because of the lie they came with. But now, we came to give them back to back. And they are the one crying, leave and let us leave. But during those days, when they played the church, when they came to our land, they were the one giving us what we do. And our fathers never replied. Our fathers never even fought them for once. They just give them a name. They just give them a powerful name. A compound name. And they call them Ndoku Noka. When it's been abbreviated, it is called Ndoka. So, like I was saying, our fathers gave them a name. Ndoku Noka. Of course, you know what it means. Troublemakers. Those who look for trouble. Those who look for trouble where it is not. They convince our children to take down our altars, our deities, to burn it down. The same people are now telling us, leave and let leave. The same people that went to Mami Water and sang Mami Water power, powerless power. They went to Amado and sang the same song. They went to Ngwa and sang the same song. Amado had power, powerless power. Ngu power, powerless power. They have been singing this song for ages. They even released Holy Ghost fire 21 times against us. Why they were facing the east, south, and west. That is what they did. I am perturbed. I am disturbed. I am utterly bewildered. These same people are now preaching leave and let leave. How can it be possible when we are holding the truth? These people are actually telling us to stop telling the truth. That's what they're saying. That we should support their lies. Do you know something? Once you allow an enemy a foot on your soil, that enemy will kill you and take your land. There's no two ways about it. Now they see that we have realized ourselves. They know we knew what they are up against. They are now going with that hackneyed campaign. So now they knew that we knew what we knew. They are now going with that hacking campaign. Leave and let leave. But how can we leave and let them leave when we are holding the main truth? We are the original. We are the aboriginal. We cannot leave and let them leave. We will return what they return to us. The same way they fought us. The same way they relegated us. The same way they made our children hate us. We shall make our people to hate them back. we shall make our people to reject what they brought us here. The same way they made our children to leave our honorable names. Names like Okafo, Wachuku, Wachineke, all these names that we used to be achieved, all these things, they left them for Paul and Peter. What has these people not done to us? They changed our name. They said that our name is bad. They brought baptism. During baptism, they changed for your name from Okafo to Peter to Simon to whatever they call it. You mean that these people that said our name is bad are now telling us that we live and let us live? I will not concur to such things. In fact, we cannot agree. We must return it back to them. We must preach this truth. Until their praise is found no more. Until their praise is found no more in our land. Until Jesus becomes a Roman Jesus. Until Jesus and no more African Jesus. No more. Because a stranger cannot be a king in our land. Chuku cannot be here. Chuku cannot be here. From the name Chuku, you know he's big. From the name Chukwu, he cannot be here. And the ordinary Jesus that is even a bastard will come and become a king. It doesn't happen. So I am here to tell those people, telling us to leave and let them leave, that campaign will not work. It is not going to stand. That our truth must suffocate them. That our truth will pursue them away from our land. Our mother must be enthroned. Our water shall come to be enthroned. And our people shall return to serve who they should serve. And belong where they should belong. So that what we are born to will start manifesting. That is why we are here today. Tell them that we are not agreeing to that very terms. That Billy is not for us. It is not for us or our people. We are returning their Bible back to them. The white people should take note. It doesn't matter their shenanigans. We will match them. We will return you back to where you belong. Because our own is the best. Our own is the original. Our own is no copycat. This is where the original is. That original we must promote. That original we must promote it by all means. Ordinary remains the best. Jesus should go back to Rome and be in charge there. I have never seen a white man doing this in the Attire to do. I have never seen a white man doing what he told us to do. The white man does not believe in miracle. He believes in medication. He believe in going to lab. He believe in treating themselves. He believe in conducting a surgery on himself. But here they brought the gospel that told us everything is possible with God. What is possible with God? With that their God? I have never seen any miracle done by him. So why would we allow them to live and let them live? It is not possible. We will not take that which destroys us. That thing they brought here is destroying us. It is not building us. We will return it back for we to gain ourselves. Our true self must return so that we can move ahead. Because what the white people fear is our unity. They are afraid of us uniting. They want us to be at loggerheads every day. They will be fighting every day. My church is the best. My ministry is the best. Whatever church is the best. But that is not what we should be doing. Once we are divided, They have conquered also. But when we are united in one Ọdịnala, in one Omenala, no power on earth can defeat us. When we have one challenge, we will come together and call on our deities. And I tell you, they will answer. And I tell you, they will deliver. So we are saying no today to that hackneyed campaign. To that show off. Live and so I'm concluding by saying that we are here to promote Ọdịnala. We must promote Ọdịnala because Ọdịnala is the best. Ọdịnala will stay. Ọdịnala was here before they came. Ọdịnala will be here when they leave. Because they will soon live in a hearse. They must live in a hearse because they have been exposed. What they are doing is just a last-minute fight. They have been defeated. That's why you see. That's why you see them arresting people. Oh yeah, they are not arresting. They not. The reality has been hidden. They have known that Jesus has no power. He has no power. That's why they are using the police. They must leave. They will leave Africa. They will leave Ili Igbo for our deities to be enthroned. May Chukwu bless all of you richly. See you again next time. Isa.